The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Yeah, that's what today is. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Market quickly just had a boost up here a minute or two ago. Let's look at what's going on. Hey, Sid, good morning. NQ, yes. Yes, you can see we dipped and then ripped. Not really a rip, it wasn't that big of a rip, but anyway. Our low, 45.48, our high, 45.60, about 12 points in range. NQ, 791 for a low. And we just hit our high here at 861 just like a minute or two ago. So 91 to 61, that's 70 points. ACVR, Borneo. How you doing? I don't know. We'll see what it was. Don't look for reversals, but look for the indicator to tell me the reversal might be coming. Copper. We have about 70, 80 ticks of range. Gold. Looks like about 9 points of range. Ultra Bond dipped some after its 2 days of ripping. About 1.5 of range. Crude oil. Quick boost there. Got back above 70. Trying to hold 70. Looks like the at 115 points of range. Bitcoin dipped down under 43.5. We'll see if that gets back up. Yeah, meanwhile, NQ, we're watching it. Could grab that for a quick short there. Yeah, it looks like it's pulling back here a little bit. Right there, this could have been a trigger candle for looking for maybe 5 points. We'll see. Our ATR is really small right now, 3.5. So, only going to be looking for 3 to 5 points if I do enter any trades right now. Again, I want to thank Sid Chase for joining me on last night's stream. If you didn't join us for last night's stream, you might want to go back and watch that one. A lot of good information from Sid, who's been an investor for many, many years in the markets. Trader, real estate guy, bunch of good information last night. We'll probably be doing that again sometime in the future. Especially since it makes the evening streams, which can be a bit on the boring side, a bit more exciting. We got up to that candle from 5 minutes ago. Got up to 861. That was our high of day. Dipped only down to 857. Now looks like it's trying to pop back up. We do have our normal Thursday news this morning, which is the initial jobless claims coming up in about 25 minutes. And at 10 o'clock, we have U.S. wholesale inventories month over month and wholesale sales. Natural gas inventories at 10:30. Tomorrow, of course, one of the big ones, non-farm payrolls, as well as University of Michigan sentiment, however you say that word, at 10 o'clock tomorrow. Yep. Looks to rise up. Another new high a day here. Blue candle on the 3-minute chart. just which Topstep account I'm on, yeah. So I have two Topstep accounts. We'll be trading the one I was trading yesterday morning. I finished the day up $1,221 yesterday on the one Topstep account, and I sit less than $1,200 away from passing. The goal today will be get to that profit target. Passing, but not going to force it. Hey, Jay Cook, haven't seen you in a while. How are you doing? Okay. Well, thank you for uh, being here, watching, and glad you can say hello every now and then. So got up to 868, little pullback. ES, I also believe is at high day. Yeah, ES is at high day. Dow is not. Always a reminder that if you expect to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. Let YouTube know that you like the stream. ES. Show a little bit more strength here than in Q. Well, no, there's a little pullback. Gonna make some smart trades today to get to that funded goal on one of the Topstep accounts. We'll work on the second one. So as of today, there's only 12 trading days till Christmas. This being the first, on the first trading day of Christmas. The market gave to me. I don't know, I should have came up with like 12 things, and that might have actually been something to go on. I don't know. Right now we're kind of sideways. Market might just be waiting for the unemployment numbers. Not sure what prompted that quick move up right before we started streaming. Morning, JC. How are you doing? You can see here on the 1 minute chart here, I didn't trust to take it. It should have, but this was that would have been my trigger candle. Entry would have been around 865, and now we've gotten back down to 859. So ATR is under 5, so I would have went for no more than 5 for the 5, and I would have got it. I'm doing all right. Looking to try and get the Topstep account funded today, if the market presents the opportunity to do so. Excuse me 1 second. Back. So nice purple candle down. Both the 3 and the 1 gave me a signal there, and I should have taken it. But there shall be more today. 15 minutes until unemployment news. Trying to pop back up right away. Going popping back up there. Oh, I didn't mute the. Okay. Worried my desktop audio stuff. That's a blue candle there on the 3. It's 2 minutes to go yet though. We'll have to see what we want to do here. Nice move back up. About to re-hit the daily high. There we go. Blew through the daily high. By blew through, it's by 3 ticks. I don't know if I want to take this blue candle here. Pull back there. JC getting ready to be all violent on 6E, which is understandable after the abusive relationship the two have had over the last few days. Ultra bond heading down. It's about to open. Gold kind of stagnant. Copper heading up. Don't hold back, JC. Tell us how you really feel. And back up here. Going long here. Gonna go for a quick 5 points. Blow up that chart. I mean, not even 5. Target's at 5, but I'll kill it sooner. We're killing things this morning. Just did one contract because it was kind of a late decision. I mean, High there's 71.5. 68.75. Back to my entry. Not really breaking the way I'd hoped. Oh, there we go. Still struggling at 72. I'll go for 3 points. Let's see if it gives me 3. Back to my entry though. News coming up in a little over 6 minutes. Just doesn't want to go. I probably should get out of that purple candle there. Now that I look at that. Let's see. Come on. Come on, maybe. Maybe. 70. You want 70. Well, my target is 71.75. There's 71. There we go. 71, 71, 70. There we go. How about that? I thought I was going to get stopped out. Instead, we got a small win off of that. Got 60 bucks. I'll take it. First win in the morning. Out before news. News up in less than 5. $55.82 there after commission. Now need $1,137.26 to get funded on this Topstep account. Thank you, Sid. This week on the Topstep account, I have a 69% winning percentage. Excellent, JC. Excellent. You showed her today. Blue candle there on the one. We're not taking it because news. News popping in 15 seconds, so be prepared. Popping, stopping, popping like a rabbit. Bells will be ringing. Whoosh! Big whoosh down there, 17 points, but whoosh down further, popped up a little bit more. Looks like it whooshed down 25. Let's see what the numbers were. U.S. initial jobless claims actual 220K, forecast was 220K. They've been hitting those forecasts really good this month. Continued jobless claims was a beat. Canadian building permits, I'm sure that really moved the market. That was a beat as well. Big dip down, and it looks like it's trying to continue to dip here in the next candle. It popped back up significantly on that last candle, but moving on down. Remember, folks, always check to hit your live button in case there's something causes a snag and you get behind the live feed. Popping off the 20 EMA or the 100 EMA on the one. Honestly, I mean, some days I understand it. For the jobless claims, I don't really understand it either. At least today, which is why I just kind of stay out of news until it decides a direction. I could have taken that as a bounce there. Quick 5 points. Well, right now, in some stuff, CVR, when you get bad economic data, it shows us it could show a slowing of the economy. So the market thinks that we're not going to see any interest rate increases and could see interest rate decreases, and that makes the market happy. And right now, we're popping back up, regaining that loss from the news. ATR's jumped up to like 6. Hey, I'm Matt. Welcome. You got your Topstep funded account, Ahmed? Morning, John. Good to see you as well. All right. It is amazing the transformation that Topstep went through this year. If you had been in this room a year ago, it was very hard to find someone that was trading Topstep. And now it seems like, a good number of people are. Anyone else having a problem with the stream? I'm not seeing it on my phone. Hold on, let me, huh. Okay. Well, okay, guys, might have a little bit of a connection problem. Not sure what's going on. All right, good. Hopefully, it's going. Okay. Hmm. Whoops, that sound you heard was my phone hitting the floor. Oh, big pop up there. New high of day. And folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. 22 people here, only 5 likes so far. I'd like to see that number go up a little bit, please. And thank you. And pulling right back after that move up. Again, reminder, last night we had Sid Chase joining us on stream live. He was chatting about trading, chatting about investing, and a whole bunch of other things. A lot of good information there. Might be one you want to go back and rewatch. Sid and I will probably do that again in the future sometime. My cat thinks it's time to join me, so my screen's going to be blocked some. It's down a little bit, but I've been very conservative on trading it, working more on trying to get the Topsteps funded, and then going from there. I want to have multiple funded accounts. That way, I think if I have multiple funded accounts, I won't be as nervous trading any single one of them. So try and get the Topsteps funded, and I'll work on Blue Sky and my funded futures, and go from there. Uh, I'm $1,137 from passing this top step. The other top step I'm over $1,000 in profit on. And I'm slightly green on the Blue Sky, slightly red on the my funded futures. Didn't take that blue candle because the cat was on the desk. Nice little quick rise up. Seems like now we're heading up. I'm kind of upset that I kind of missed this trend up. Got scared there. I thought my computer froze, but just the battery popped out of my mouse. Still heading up here, trying to get back up to 15,900. There's the hourly charts. Have a long way to go to try and gain back yesterday's losses. Yes, also heading up. Topstep logging me out. Tradovate. It's actually TradingVate. TradingView, TradingVate. They make you re-log in once every 24 hours. Crude oil coming up. Back above 70. Ultravon didn't like the news, but it's coming back up. That would have been an excellent candle to take there on the Ultravon, coming back up through those bands. Gold, new high a day. Gold loved the news. As did copper. Everything okay now, JC? Anyone else having issues still? I mean, there's nothing I really can do about it. So, sometimes it's YouTube, sometimes it's my connection. But I probably shouldn't say this out loud and jinx myself, but I really haven't had any Comcast problems lately. Checking my speeds right now, see how my speeds look. Give me a sec, John. Let me go back and look at how it worked with me. My upload and download speeds are wonderful right now, so any issues shouldn't be on my side. I'm pretty sure email, John. Looking. Apex sends way too many emails. Okay, so it looks like I paid my fee at 6:18 p.m. that night. That was then told it's being activated. And then I got an email 1 minute later that it was active. Yeah, yeah. Just relog in and see if it's there, because it was like within a minute for me as well. And your credentials are the same login and pass. Well, I shouldn't. At least it was for Rhythmic for me. You're on Tradovate, so but I would assume it's the same. So our high is now 15,898. Is where I start getting issues. We're getting up high. I don't want to trust those blue candles, and I hope it doesn't like trend all day. I Last 2 days have been wonderful. Nice move up. Still hasn't broken 15,900. So I got quiet there for a second. Was editing the top banner. Blue Sky 40% off now instead of 25% off. Still love that static growth account with Blue Sky. Really recommend that one. And thank you, iMad, for reminding me to update that top banner. It just hit 15.9. We're about 9 minutes from the top of the hour. Oh, awesome, CBR. So you made it through Blue Live? Yes. You've contacted support. Yeah, it's been kind of amazing to see. I don't know what the change has been overall, but over the last few months, people that have been struggling for a while seem to really turn a corner in the Mighty Ox trading community. I've seen people getting payouts that have been struggling for a while. People getting, through live sims and being put on live. It's really nice to see, Justin Eck from the Discord, one of my mods. There's that pullback you were talking about, CBR, a little bit. But, he's been taking multiple payouts from multiple companies, and Chef's been passing a bunch of accounts after struggling for so long. I know CBR, you were struggling for a while. It's nice seeing you having success now. It seems like there's a bunch of others as well. I'm mad and others. Just it seems like something's all of a sudden clicking for a lot of people, and that's been great to see. Ooh, well, there what that pullback didn't last long. Burst up there to 905. John DeFore, were you able to log into Tradovate Trading View, and do you see your PA? Yeah, up to 910. RSI is screaming pullback, but I'm not. I'm not jumping on that. You ever heard an RSI scream? It's really, really kind of annoying. Nine 11. NQ blowing through its top band on the 1 hour chart, blowing through its 100 EMA as well. ES touching them. YM says, I'm finally at high day. Crude opens up in a couple minutes. See what that does. I just pull one back. Didn't hit a new high a day on crude there. Natural gas taking off. Sid was talking about natural gas, expecting a breakout to the upside. Like it came down quite a bit more before this reversal overnight. Ultra bonds still kind of it. Gold hanging near ties. Platinum up nicely. And Q going to the moon. All the indices going to the moon. What's the Russell doing? Russell, big move up as well. See Philip get this morning, our Russell trader. Huh. I wonder if Tradovate accounts take longer. Did you contact support, John? Now there's a little bit of a pullback. But top of the hour comes right back up. Ooh, crude pushed down right before it's open. Trying to pop back up there. Looking at NQ. Days where I get in trouble, I start looking for that pullback. So our highs so far 916. Less than 30 minutes till the bell. 1 for 1 this morning for a $60 trade. Looking for more. Looking for trades in all the wrong places. Looking for trades. No, I don't know. Dow's pulling back. It's a nice purple candle there on the Dow. On that 5-minute chart. And there's the pullback on NQ. Down to 907. So it's pulled back by about 10 points. Yes, also the purple. So synchronized pullbacks here. Oh, wow. The pullback went away. Look at that. New high day. Ended up being a blue candle there, and I didn't catch it. I'm not sure I would have trusted it anyway, but wow. I shouldn't say wow. It went 5 points, 6 points, but still, just see, that's why you think that it's pulling back, and I could have gotten in trouble there, and so far I haven't let it do it to me. Still rising up. Just hit 920 now. Crude almost back to highs. Ultravon rising up. Yeah. $921, the new high. Yeah. 22 minutes away. Should see RJ and Ace arriving soon. Yeah, pulling back a tad now again. Just a tad. Just a tad. CBR said we're kind of leveling out. Oh, look at that. Move back up. Just when you think it's done, boom. New high of day, 9:23 half. 20 minutes to the bell. That's an interesting one right there. Hit that band and now giving me a red candle. That's kind of a indication I should go short. So CFT has me up on his parents' 85-inch TV right now. Nice Christmas decorations if you're listening. Hanging here around 918. Let's see if T's looking in. We'll check the bonds. Nice little move up, hanging around its 100 EMA. Okay, see a little bit of weakness. I did take a trade on my funded futures account off this candle here. Seeing if it wanted to do anything. For a second, I was in profit. Now it's popping back up. See what happens. I'm using the MFFU account to take trades that I'm not sure about. Yeah, it looks like that one's not going to work out. Yep. It's gonna stop me out there. If it, there we go. Why didn't it stop me out? Oh. I had to stop at 27. I thought I had it at high day, but that was a different line. Sometimes Tradovate can be confusing. 15 minutes to the bell. Yeah, I know. I need to just say my funded futures. As I was there stumbling with it, yeah, it sounded bad, and I realized it. That said, I'm surprised they haven't figured it out that that's probably not the uh, best initials. I think it stopped out on that my funded futures, which is fine. Hey RJ, good morning. Still rising here, 927 new high. We're just gonna go to the moon. Ultra bond pulls back. Crude oil hanging around just above 70. Big pullback there on gold. Look at that big purple beautiful candle there. Would have pulled nice. Copper up high. New high day. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's stagnant. Yeah, RJ, I finished on the one Topstep account. I finished up $1,200 on the day, and then on the other Topstep account, I finished up like I think 400. We very well. I had a great stream. I finished up like 130 bucks overall, but great talking with Sid. A lot of knowledge there. We'll be doing it again in the future. We have a couple bugs to work out, but yeah, it was a fun stream. Good morning, Ace. And now I know how to have somebody else on the stream. I could potentially have other people on if anyone's interested. A little bit of a pullback there, purple candle, but at this point I'm not trusting him yet. Yep, see, wow. 9:30. RSI still screaming. This time not falling for it. I mean, I did try it on the My Funded Futures, but didn't work. Eh, just keep getting those 2 points, Ace. And I think you're safe. Below and through the bands on the hourly chart. Yeah, I mean they all are. NQ seems to be the strongest, but ES is right there with it. YM's not doing bad either. That said, I'm doing better with this than I did on Monday because I haven't like jumped in on every red candle thinking we were pulling back. I haven't jumped on the blue candles either to go with the trend, so that's a mistake. But all right, good luck, Ace. Less than 10 minutes to the bell. Then at top of the hour, we do have tiny bit of news. I don't think moves the market. U.S. wholesale inventories. Remember, tomorrow's are always fun non-farm payrolls. Excellent, John. Five-minute chart, which is down here on the right, when we blow it up, you can see we haven't had a red candle now in 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, almost an hour. Been beautiful. The follow that up for like 50, 55 points. But alas, we'll get to that. Yes. Getting close to aces, 2 points. There it is. There's aces too. All my RSIs are screaming, but I'm not listening to the screams. Ooh, now we see that purple candle that hit that band there. Could have been a quick, I don't know. I'm not going to jump on it. Yeah, hey JJR, that's exactly what I'm thinking. I've been really shy about this. Just, So we'll see. I mean, I'm just gonna stay flat now until the open. See if it comes down. Yesterday, I guessed right they were gonna come down at the open. So we'll see if we get it here as well. It's a strong, strong move up. See, if I had tried taking that purple candle there, I would have gotten knocked around. Gold, quite the fall there. Ultra Bond coming back down. Copper coming down. Oil, not sure where it wants to go. Agriculture, looking like it was coming down before it closed. And we're back at the new high of day. The high of yesterday on the NQ was all the way up at 16,037. And I say all the way up there, but we're now only about 100 points away from that. Awesome, JJR. 9 for 9. YM moving up strong here too. Look at that. Blue candle there and another 15 points. Just whoosh. I've only taken one trade this morning. It was a small one, $60. Obviously, I could have got much more out of this. This is my problem with trends where I don't trust it. But if we quickly look at the 1 minute chart, blue candle worked, 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 worked. Kind of worked, worked. So I just need to start getting comfortable taking my triggers on trends. Triggers on trends. Yeah, I was surprised that you kind of typed it, and you even kind of typed it in like an expectory tone. Waiting for my first loss makes it just sound like you just voicing it into existence. Less than 30 seconds. Oh wow, nice ace. Good luck. Quick rise up before the bell. Although NQ's pulling back a little bit. 10 seconds to go, folks. 10 seconds. Places, everybody. Ding, 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 ding. NQ falls back by about 6. YM still popping. ES undecided. Oh, ES is pulling back as well. Wow, big move down on the NQ. 26. That's the second day in a row I said it's going to short, and it shorted, and I didn't, try. But that's okay. Big bounce on it, though. So it's shot down about 27 points, but back up by 17. Look at that. Ace, look at your ES. And Q trying to go back, trying to move red to green. And we're back to green on NQ. Wow. I could have grabbed that off that. Wow. Actually, it's quite volatile right now. I didn't take that blue candle, but could have got a quick 10. New high, 550, 954. Every time it looks like it wants to pull back, it just gets eaten back up to the upside. Push it up higher. Wow. 964. So I should have taken that blue candle there. I'll continue to take note of this. Ultra bond on a nice bounce. Oil not doing anything. Big purple candle. Possible pullback here. Didn't finish purple. Did come out of the bands, but see, it's rising right back up. Didn't fall for it, haha. Oh, coming back down though. Going short. That didn't break the way I'd hoped. Come on, break down. There we go. Ah. Wow, look at that bounce. Stopped out. Should have took them quick 5 points, I guess, there. That was my idioticness. And now we're $1,442 away from funded. I fought the trend there, didn't just take the quick profit, and now with that blue candle back up that I should have taken. I did it to myself again there. Damn it. Dow though, Dow just dropped. And key blows up, trying to head towards 16,000. Pulls back. Got up to 982, back down to 969. Trying to push down now. That one didn't work. This one's trying to work though. It's come down 7.5. I should have went for the second one. We finally got a red candle on the 5-minute chart. Tiny bit of news coming up top of the hour. Don't think it really affects the market, but just be advised. Other folks, if you're enjoying the stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Still coming down now. Hanging around 942, can't decide where it wants to go from here. Blue candle back up. Struggling. Would have got a quick 5 if I'd taken that. Nope, down. Maybe that may have been the last ditch effort. Hanging right around 950. Dow still falling. Everyone must be concentrating. This chat got really quiet. Very, very quiet. This is a 15.1 minute candle. Pulls back though. Gives back half. I am short. See if it drops. Boom. Boom. Thank you, RJ. It's not clearing. There we go. $250 winner there. We're back to green. $941 down to $941 half down to $929. So yeah, we were almost exact. Though broke that resistance so far down to 21. Down to 918. It's a big old purple candle in the 3. I decided not to double dip and go back into that same move. Still these uptrending bands. I need to see these bands bending. but maybe I should have. Down to that 100 EMA on the 1. So I should have went back to the well, but that's okay. Nice drop, just continuing drop. Yeah, very nice, John. Next thing I need to do is be willing to take more than one contract. And I was doing more than one contract yesterday. I'm not sure why I went to one today. I always get skittish when I start getting near a target. But taking one off and then I could have followed this down for the rest of the move. Yeah, but see, like, I mean, there's something satisfying. If I look at this, on this 3-minute chart here. If I gotten in here, or if I break back up, and I could have, if I trailed it, let's use this, just kept moving it up. There we go. Up, 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 up. And maybe it probably would have stopped out there finally. That would have been a 862 up to 914. So, a 50-point trade's $1,000 per on one contract. Oops, what did I just do? While I'm talking, we just had a huge bounce. What the heck? There we go. Bounce back up by about 40 points. And see, that little green candle there. That was actually a trigger. I was talking, so I missed that. But that could have been a nice bounce right back up. And one candle bounce is coming right back down. Oh yeah. Good point, RJ. Yep. I was talking, or else I would have taken this green candle. Well, I shouldn't say I would have. Every thought process should have been to take that little green candle there back up. Whether I would have actually done it had I seen it remains to be seen. We will never know. Knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe. Break back down below the 100 EMA. Thought about taking that short there, but oh, that's what I did. How did I remove my RSI on that? That's odd. Oh, now when I add a second one, the first one comes back. Thank you. Purple candle here, trying to break 900. Almost top of the hour, a little bit of news. Like I said, I don't think it's going to affect the market, but be careful. Trying to pop up again, but failed. Hanging now, back down, coming back down. Sandwich between the 100 and the 20 on the 1 minute. Which way does it want to go? I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Like I said, I didn't think news was going to do much, and it really hasn't. Well, maybe. To get a quick rise there. We're kind of sideways now. Can't decide where it wants to go or how it wants to get there. Completely kind of sideways. Gonna break out one direction or the other. Just haven't figured out which way. Morning, Burrow. How you doing? Cat saying good morning again. Attention starved mongrel he is. JJR, do you understand what happened, what you did to blow it, so that you can prevent it in the future? Awesome, Burl. Hope you enjoyed it. I saw you made a comment on it, Burl. Well, it's frustrating. If you can learn from it, then it, as Ace says, it's tuition. It's like paying tuition. Absolutely, you will. Don't allow yourself to get overly down because you blew it. I've blown funded before, and just recently, recently got funded again. Things are looking up, so it's a journey. Pulls back, did burst up to 940 and pull right back down. And back up. Long, but I'm late, so I might not be good. Yeah, wow, how did I get that late on that trade? Wow. There we go. Boom. Got out. 165-hour winner there, in at 928 and out at 936 quarter. Probably jumped out a little early. I did. That's okay. Now up 258 on the morning. Less than $1,000 away from the fund getting funded on this Topstep account. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Pulling back. Wow, big pullback there after that quick shoot up, whatever I'm trying to say. Right back into this range we were in. Absolutely, always stay humble. Ooh, big pop back up. Hanging around this 928 level, up and down on it. Didn't realize I bought on 928 on that last one. There was a blue candle there. We'll watch it. It's obviously going there. It's a blue candle on the 3 there that I might take here in 30 seconds. Wow, big burst up here, up to 947. So I switched Topstep accounts so you didn't see it. I took a long off of this. I didn't hold it long, but I got a $230 winner there. Wished I had done it on the regular account, but I didn't. I was having trouble trusting it, so I went to the backup Topstep account. Backup Topstep account is actually up more than my regular Topstep account today. It's up $527. Goal is to get them both funded, but I'll be happy if only one does. Put it that way. You see, I popped up there by 17 points. Still heading up. Should have trusted my blue candle there. Didn't. Took the blue candle on the 3. But didn't trust it enough to stay in it. If I had, it could have been a $500 trade. Yeah, it's not really. I'm taking a little bit more risk on it. Like I did 2 contracts there. I'm running out of time on them. I really don't want to have to renew them. So I need to either pass, decide to figure out where the money's going to come from to renew, or cancel by the end of Tuesday. So nice rise up here. So it was our high day, and are we there yet? High day last hour, 982. We're at 964. I'm really feeling good about my trading right now. And JJ, to back up what RJ's saying, you know, I, I've been doing this now for, let's see, I've been streaming for 2 years and 3 months. So I've been doing futures trading for almost 3 years total. And I'm just now feeling. I've had times in the past where I felt really confident, felt like I was trading really well, but this at this point is the best I've ever felt with my trading, and I'm still struggling with certain feelings, certain doubts, the things that are still holding me back. You know, cutting trades too early, cutting winners too early, put it that way, and just still not trusting my process. And I've said it many times. If it wasn't for this community and the fact that I started streaming and gotten so much support from a lot of people I now consider friends, I probably would have quit. There's multiple times I've almost quit. Nope, no payouts yet, JJR. The best I ever did was actually with Earn to Trade. I got funded, but I was using a bot. I got funded with the bot. The bot got me to $2,000 in profit. Then the bot told me to go screw myself and lost it all. Thank you for being my friend, Crypticon. Absolutely. This community is wonderful. You know, obviously not the biggest trading community out there, but that's okay. I like the fact that we're a close-knit group. Hate the fact that we lose track of people that, just disappear, but I'm, like I said earlier, I'm seeing a bunch of people that had been struggling for a while now getting the payouts and getting passing combines, getting the payouts, and it just seems like a lot of people are just starting to turn the corner now. And you know, the other thing, JDR, about this community is, you know, that people are honest. That you don't just see the green days. People admit when they're red. People admit when they take bad trades. People admit when they blow accounts. A lot of communities, you only see the good stuff, and you start wondering, why am I different? Like, I'm wondering why I didn't take that blue candle. But you know, why am I struggling? Everyone else seems to be doing so great, and that's not this community. We show our ups and downs. If you haven't already joined the Discord, if you have a Discord account, you should do that, because you see that there as well. If anyone's trading natural gas, inventory is coming up in like 9 minutes. I don't know if Sid had a natural gas trade on or not. Frustrated I didn't take this blue candle. Could have got, wow. Well, blow back up there, trying to get back up to 16K. Up to 996. Does it have the oomph? The oomph to break 16K. You can see here we're getting close to yesterday's high. 16,037. Pulling back a little bit now. Purple candle after a doji. That's interesting to me. It's not really holding though. Yeah, Alpine stops in here occasionally. Says hi. um, Patrick's a good trader. Excuse me, sorry. Patrick's a good trader. Uh, he the buzz of that community though is just a little much for me. But you know, live streaming's tough. So anyone that does it, you know, has my respect. I've been told in the past. Yeah, I knew it. I knew what you meant, RJ. About I've been told in the past I'll never be successful if I'm live streaming, which I always said was bull, and I think I'm starting to prove that. But I was told I needed by a couple of seasoned traders. You need to choose one or the other. Do you want to be an entertainer or do you want to be a trader? You got to give up one or the other. Bite me. But it can be harder at times. You sometimes, when there's nothing going on, you feel like you're not providing the content that people are tuning into. They want to see trades. They want to see trading. So you start thinking, I gotta find a trade. Gotta find a trade. Might try and force something. Things like that. Mm, no, I've never broken it down like that. Yeah, maybe I'll have to look at that. Which way does it want to go here? It's like up, or maybe not. Popping up here. Damn it. Wow, 23 trades. The only thing, RJ, about that, I mean, I sometimes take trades behind the scenes. Like I'll enter a trade on a different account and not mention it until I'm in until it's working or whatever. But if I was only simming during the 3 prime hours, I think I'll be missing opportunities. 3 points away from 16K. Crude oil inventories. Wow, I mean not crude, sorry, natural gas inventories. 576 up to 621 and then gave it all back. And Q continuing to try for 16K. And I'll be back in 1 minute. $16,000. Hit 16002 and then pull back a few points, back down to 986. Great, great job, JJR. Trying to get back up there. Have a great day, JC. All right, John. Have a great day. Another blue candle here. Back up to 16,000. New high day. 16,004. Look at that candle on the hourly chart. That's wow. High 16,007. So I didn't take I didn't take a lot of the opportunities that were presented to me, but I didn't get myself in trouble on this trend day. Right now we're sitting $935 away from being funded on the Topstep account. So on this account, I mean, theoretically, to get it funded before I would need to renew, I only need to average about $350 a day. But obviously I like to get it done sooner than later. I just need to not force it. Still rising. Pulls back a bit. Hit 2007 half and then pulled back. Got 20 minutes left to go in the stream. Yep. Hang in here. 993. Thought about going short on that purple on the 3-minute chart. It's kind of tempting me. Got a purple candle now on the 1 as well. Let's see if it breaks through that 20 EMA on the 1 and then there. Just as I say it, it doesn't. Ooh. But I only want to do one contract. Didn't sustain that below the 20. Keeps teasing me there. Alright, good luck, JJR. Just don't force it. And big bounce. Alright, folks, if you enjoyed today's stream, I appreciate if you hit a thumbs up. YouTube algorithm for the YouTube algorithm helps the algae promote the channel. Up and down, staying right below 16,000 right now. Gotta be careful here, traps on both sides. Big bounce there, back up. Right there, touching 16,000 again. Ultra Bond's been not much of a fun event today. Crude coming down. Natural gas loved its inventories for 3 seconds and then gave it all back. Gold coming down. Copper coming down. Will give us one more trade this morning. Maybe. Do it again. Let's see if it can break this 20 or give me a purple candle on the 3. Nope. That's a nope so far. Right back up. Big blue candle. Shouldn't say big. We're actually our candles have gotten kind of small. They just gave it back again. ATR's fallen under 10 at this point on the 1 minute. Just fight around 16,000. What did agriculture do today? Agriculture looks like some went down, some went up. Lean hogs having a good day. Kind of ending here on a whimper. Let's see if anything pops in the last 10 minutes. There's a drop below the 20 on the 1-minute chart. Popping back up. Not holding it, but yet it's not really rejecting it either. Keeps wanting to touch it. There it is again. Yep, there's a move down. Down to 990. Touching that band. It bounces right back up. So ending with a whimper here. One second. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end a couple minutes early here. Sorry about that. But looks like we do want to move down here, but I'm going to get going here just a few minutes early. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. I hope everyone continues to have a great day today, and we will talk to you tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Stay green, everybody. Yep, file that with customer service, RJ. They'll get back to you shortly. See ya. Have a great one. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.